Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 12.2, that is applications of Heron's formula. Before this I taught you exercise 12.1 and the formula of 12.1, that is Heron's formula, which was used to solve the questions from the exercise. So today we will discuss the applications of Heron's formula. Means we will use Heron's formula but we will apply in some different figures. Already I taught you that Heron's formula will be used only to find the area of triangle. But today I will teach you that Heron's formula can be used to find the area of some different diagrams also. So we will learn the application of Heron's formula by solving a question. Okay. So in this question it is given, find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 7 cm, BC equals to 6 cm, CD equals to 12, DA equals to 15 and AC equals to 9 cm. First of all we will draw a diagram of a quadrilateral. Suppose this is a quadrilateral I have drawn and we will name it as ABCD. Okay. Now we will write the length of the sides. AB is 7 cm, BC is 6 cm, CD is 12 cm, DA is 15 cm and AC is given. AC is 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is the diagram. So these are the values which is given in the question of a quadrilateral. Now we will use Heron's formula to find the area of the quadrilateral. The most important thing you have to understand that this diagonal bisect the quadrilateral into two triangles. Getting this quadrilateral has been bisected into two triangles by the help of this diagonal AC. Okay, so I will just draw a small diagram of this triangle ADC. I will draw it separately so that we will able to find the values properly. 15, 12 and 7 centimeter. 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter are the sides of the triangle ADC. So as I taught you, to use the Heron's formula, let the sides of the triangle are A equals to 15 I will take, B equals to 7 and C equals to 12 centimeter. All the three sides has been represented by A, B, C. So first of all whose value we were finding? S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, A is 15 plus 7 plus 12 by 2. 15 plus 7 is 22, 22 plus 12 is 34 by 2. When we will cancel it, we will get 17. So the value of S is 17 we got. Now we can use the Heron's formula, that is area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square root. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. Area equals to S is 17, 17 minus 15, 17 minus 7 and 17 minus 12 we will get. Now open the bracket. 17 into 17 minus 15 is 2, 17 minus 7 is 10, 17 minus 12 is 5, square root we will get. Now write the LCM of these terms. 17 will be as it is, 2 also will be as it is, 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10 into 5. Okay. Now between two terms one will be taken outside. So area is 2 into, between these two 5 we will take outside, root 17 will be written inside the square root. So area of triangle ADC is 10 root 17. Okay, area of triangle ADC is 10 root 17. Now we will find out the area of triangle ABC. So once again I am just drawing a small diagram. A, B, C. AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now since the sides of the triangle ABC are A equals to 7 centimeter, B equals to 6 centimeter and C equals to 9 centimeter I have taken. This is A, this is B, this one is C. Okay, so we will find out S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. that is 7 plus 6 plus 9 by 2. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22 by 2. So we will get 11. This is the value of S. Now we will use Heron's formula. Area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root. S is 11, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9. When we will open the bracket, 11 into 11 minus 7 is 4 into 11 minus 6 is 5 into 11 minus 9 is 2. Reduce the term. 11 into 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 5 into 2, square root. Between these two, one will be outside, the rest will be written inside the square root. So 2 5s are 10, 10 into 11, 110. This is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, now we will write the area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. Okay, getting this triangle's area and this triangle's area, when I will join, I will get the area of whole quadrilateral. Getting this area is 50, this area is 30. So total area will be 80. If this area is 10, this area is 20. Total area of the quadrilateral will be 30. Similarly, when we will add the area of both the triangles, we will get the area of quadrilateral. Area of triangle ADC is 10 root 17 plus area of triangle ABC is 2 root 110. Substitute the value of root 17, that is 4.12 plus 2 into root 110 is 10.48. Multiply and add. This will become 41.2 and this will become 20.96. When we will add, it will be 6, 1, 2, 6. 62.16 is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, in this way we can find out the area of any figure. If all the side is given to us, we can join one of its diagonal and we can divide it into two triangles. By finding the area of triangle, we can get the area of whole figure. That is either quadrilateral, parallelogram, triangle, square or rectangle. Okay, so this is called as the application of Heron's formula. We have applied Heron's formula not only in triangle but also for the quadrilateral. So this is called as application. Now we will start the exercise. The first question of the exercise, it is given: a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral. ABCD has angle C equals to 90 degree. AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD 8 meter. Find the area of the park. So there is a park which is in the form of a quadrilateral, but you remember that one of its angle, it is given as 90 degree. This is the important part you have to see when you are reading the question. So one of its angle, it is given as 90 degree. That's why I have drawn this line as in the shape of L, 90 degree. Okay, now we can join like this. So this became a quadrilateral, suppose. So we will name it as A, B, C and D, as this angle C is 90 degree. AB is 9 meter, BC is 12 meter, CD is 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. In the previous question which I have explained, there was one of the diagonals value it was given, but here in this question there is no diagonals measurement it is mentioned in the question. So for this type of question, what you have to do, wherever 90 degree is drawn, that diagonal you join, so that you will get one of the triangle as right angle triangle. Okay, wherever 90 degree is given, in which of the corner, that side's diagonal you join, so that one of the triangle will be right angle and the other triangle will be scalene or some other triangle. Okay, now as it is a right angle triangle, we can find out the value of BD. Suppose here I am drawing the right angle triangle BCD. Okay, and this is 12 meter, this is 5 meter, this angle is 90 degree. As you know Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the side BD. Okay, if we will use Pythagoras theorem, we can obtain its hypotenuse. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, we can obtain the third side, that is h square equals to p square plus b square. What is h? H is hypotenuse, the longest side. Okay, this is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. H is the longest side, that is BD. So in place of h I am writing BD square. P is perpendicular line, that is DC square, and B is base line, that is BC square. Okay, now BD is how much? BD we don't have. DC is 5 square plus BC is 12 square. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. Now add it, it will be 169. BD square we got 169, but we have to find out the value of BD. So BD is root over 169. It will become this square, when it will go this side, it will become root over. So root over of 169 is 13. In BD equals to 13. You have studied in your 8th class. You have also studied the Pythagoras theorem in your 8th class, that h square equals to p square plus b square. H is the longest side, p is the standing line, b is the base. Okay, so by using that formula we found the length of BD, that is 13 meter. Okay, now we can apply Heron's formula to find the area of this quadrilateral. This length we got 13 meter. I will just draw a small diagram here. A, B, D. AB is 9 meter, BD is 13 meter, and AD is 8 meter. Okay, so the sides of triangle ABD are A equals to 9 meter, B equals to 13 meter, and C equals to 8 meter. Now we will find out the value of S, that is A plus B plus C by 2. A is 9 plus 13 plus 8 by 2. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15 equals to S. This is the value of. Now we will use Heron's formula to find the area. Area equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root S equals to 15. 15 minus 9, 15 minus 13, and 15 minus 8, square root 15 into 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 13 is 2, and 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, so we will get 15 can be written as 3 5s, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, multiplication 2 into 7, square root. Out of 2, 1 we can write, out of 2, 3, 1 we can write, and 5 into 7 will be written inside the square root. So area of triangle ABD is 6 root 35 meter square. Okay, this is the area of triangle ABD. Now we will find out the area of triangle BDC. Look at here, this is a right angle triangle, so no need to use the Heron's formula. Directly you use the area of right angle triangle formula. Area of triangle BDC is half into base into height. Okay, area of triangle BDC is half into base into height. Half into base is 12, height is 5. Cancel 2 and 12, 6 we will get. 6 5s are 30 meter square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. Area of triangle ABD is 6 root 35 plus area of triangle BDC is 30 meter square. So this much is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, by adding the area of two triangles we will get the area of whole quadrilateral ABCD. Now question number 2. In question number 2 it is given, obtain the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 3 cm, BC equals to 4 cm, CD 4, DA 5 and AC 5. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD. The sides are given 3 cm, 4 cm, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and one of its diagonal is given AC. So we will join AC. This is 5 centimeter. So it is very easy to find the area of quadrilateral by separating the triangles. So first of all, I will find out the area of triangle ABC. ABC. AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, and AC is 5 centimeter. Okay. Let the sides of triangle ABC are A equals to 3, B equals to 4, C equals to 5. So first of all, we will find out the value of S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2, 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 by 2 is 6 centimeter. This is the value of S. Okay. Now we will use the Heron's formula. Area equals to S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root. S equals to 6, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 5, square root. 6 into 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Out of 2, 2, 1 we can take out outside. Out of 2, 3, 1 we can write outside. So 2, 3 is a 6 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, this is the area of triangle ABC. Now I will find out the area of triangle ADC. So I will just draw the diagram. ADC. AD is 5, AC is 5, DC is 4. Let the sides of triangle ADC are A equals to 5, B equals to 5, and C equals to 4. Now I will find out the value of S. S equals to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 2. It is 14 by 2. 7. So S equals to 7 we got. Okay. Now we will use the area formula. Area equals to S. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root. 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4. Okay. 7 will be as it is. 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3. Out of 2, 1 we can take outside, and both the 7 and 3 will be written inside the square root. So the area of triangle ADC is 2 root 21. That means area of quadrilateral ABCD will be area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, that is 6 plus 2 root 21 meter square. That is 6 plus 2 into, put the value of, write the value of root 21, it is 4.583, multiply 2 and 4.583, 6 plus 9.166 we will get by multiplying these two. Add 6 and 9, it will be 15.166 meter square. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 15.166 meter square. In this way we can calculate the area of any different figure by joining one of its diagonal. Okay, so I hope you might have understood everything. If you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in my comment box.